Hello, everyone. Welcome to the new chapter of geography. The name of the chapter is Maps. In this chapter, we will learn about maps, types of maps, components of map, sketch, plan, etc. Introduction. A globe can be useful when we want to study the Earth as a whole, but when we want to study only a part of the Earth, as about our country, states, districts, towns and villages, it is of little help. In such a situation we use maps. As we all draw in the paper. Paper is a flat or plane surface. When we draw whole Earth or any part of Earth like our village, our state, our country, we draw in a flat surface like paper, then it is called a map. Oh! But wait. Our drawing should be according to a scale. Which means we should be able to know the distance between two places. Then only it is called as map. Now we have understood that map is a drawing or representation of the Earth's surface or a part of it, on this flat surface according to a scale. A book of many maps is known as atlas. There are many advantages of map over the globe. Maps show both the large area or small areas. It is foldable and easy to carry. Easy to use. Types of maps. There are three types of maps. 1. Physical maps, or relief maps. 2. Political maps and 3. Thematic maps. Physical maps or relief maps. The maps which show the physical features of the Earth, such as mountains, plains, rivers, plateaus, oceans etc. are called as physical map or relief maps. The map showing in the screen is physical map. Here, different colors are shown in the picture for showing these features. For example, blue for water, green for plains, brown for mountains, yellow for plateaus etc. Political maps. The maps which show the cities, towns, villages, country, states etc. with their boundaries are called as political maps. This is the political map of India. Here our country India is shown with its all the states, union territories, cities, districts etc. with their boundaries. Thematic maps. The maps which focus on specific information, such as road maps, rainfall maps, maps showing distribution of forests, industries etc. are known as thematic maps. The map shown in the screen is a thematic map of India. Now let's know about components of a map. There are three components of maps: distance, direction and symbol. Distance maps are two-dimensional drawings. It reduces the entire world or a part of the world on a small sheet of paper. While making a map, cartographers pay attention to properly represent the distance between two places. Hence they choose scale. Scale is the ratio between the actual distance on the ground and the distance shown in the map. For example, the distance between your school and your home is 10 kilometers. If you show this 10 kilometers distance by 2 centimeters on a map, it means 1 centimeter on the map will show 5 kilometers on the ground. The scale of your drawing will be 1 centimeter equals 5 kilometers. There are two types of scale. 1. Small-scale maps and 2. Large-scale maps. When large areas like continents or countries are to be shown on a paper, then we use a small scale. It is called a small-scale map. For example, the map of our continent, country, state, etc. are small-scale maps. Here 1 centimeter on the map shows 100 or 200 or 500 kilometers etc. of the ground. What is a large-scale map? When a small area such as a village is shown on a map, such a map is called a large-scale map. A map of a neighborhood is another example of large-scale map. Here 1 centimeter on the map shows 500 meters or 1 kilometer, or 5 kilometers. Only on the ground. A large-scale map gives more details compared to a small-scale map. Direction. A map also contains information about directions. There are 4 main directions shown in the maps. They are east, west, north and south. The directions are called cardinal directions. There are also 4 other directions such as northeast, southeast, southwest and northwest which help to locate a place precisely. These directions are known as intermediate directions. Compass is an instrument used to find out main directions. Its magnetic needle always points towards north-south direction. Symbols. This is the third important component of map. We can show features and places on maps in actual shapes. To overcome this problem, we use symbols of every feature and places to show the perfect map in right manner. This symbol gives us a lot of information in a limited space and makes the map easy to read. Symbols used in maps can't be different in any region. There are conventional symbols used by everyone which are decided with an international agreement. You can see some examples of symbols of maps. A drawing based on memory is called a sketch. A sketch is not made to scale. A sketch map is useful when you need to show directions to your house to your friend. Plan. Drawing of a small area on large scale is called a plan. Architects usually make plans to show the layout of a house. Now, we have understood about maps, types of maps, components of maps, sketch, plans etc. We will meet again with a new chapter. Till then, bye. Take care.